Wondering why you should change your YouTube location on your Google TV? A lot of people leave this setting unchanged, but switching your YouTube location can actually improve your overall experience in several ways. Let's break it down quickly. First, open YouTube app on your Google TV. Log into your profile if you have multiple accounts. Now, use your remote to go to the left side menu. On the left side menu, scroll down. Select Settings. Now, scroll and go to Location. Open the location option by selecting it with your remote. But why should you change it? Here are the top reasons. You'll get better regional recommendations that match your country or the country you want to watch the content of. Trending videos will become more relevant to your area. YouTube will show local news, local content, and creators from your selected region. This can be helpful in many ways, and you'll realize it in the long run. So, choose your preferred location from here. And once your location updates, restart your YouTube app. And that's it. Those are the main reasons why changing your YouTube location on Google TV could improve your viewing experience. If this helped you out, like, subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.